how to use Qgis. Qgis is an open source software. So we normally use it to draw maps. So today we are going to learn how to use Qgis to draw a map and then link it to our data in Excel or CSVs. So this is what we are going to do today. So I'm hoping that everyone you've already downloaded Qgis, but if you haven't, Qgis shows up like this. So here we are. We are going to use the shape files for Uganda. So you go to layer, add layer, add vector layer. So I will come here to vector data and search. Here I will browse and look for where we saved our shape files. Now I saved my shape files. Let me look for in Qgis General, this folder called Qgis General. So I will search for where I saved my shape files for Uganda. So they are here under Uganda sub-counties. So it ends with .shp. These are the sub-counties in Uganda. So I select, then I click on open and add. So after adding, I close this. So this is the map of Uganda showing the different sub-counties in the country. So now, but I'm interested in a district called Kaliro district. So within Uganda, I'm going to select the map of Kaliro district. So I right click on the Uganda sub-counties, open attribute table, then I arrange my districts because right now there is no arrangement almost. So but I want them to be arranged in alphabetical order. So I click on district once. They will arrange them from A up to the last one. So I'm interested in K. I will drag this down up to K. So I am interested in this district here called Kaliro. So I will select whenever I see. I will first select this one, then I click Ctrl, then I keep on selecting all of them. There are not very many, so it is easy to select them. So I select Kaliro. It has 15 sub-counties. I select them. So after selecting, I close this one down. Yeah, the map of Kaliro there is selected. So, but how do I don't want to show Uganda. I now only want to show Kaliro district. So I come here again on the Uganda sub-counties, and I want to export what has been selected now. So I click on export, then go to save selected as. So I can rename this one as Kaliro, maybe Kaliro map. So I click OK. So now I can now switch off Uganda. So I can now enlarge this one a little. I think this is fine. Bring it in the middle by clicking on the palm. This one here. This one will move it whenever you want to move it. So maybe I can center it there. So now we have our data. We have our hypothetical data for this district, which you have downloaded, and this is a CSV file, but let me just show you this file first of all. This is what it looks like. This is not real data, it's just for learning purposes, but this is how I use Qgis to represent data on the map. So I have sub county and then the ANC for coverage for the different sub counties. Where you are seeing zeros, probably in those sub counties we didn't have a facility which was reporting in our system. So but like I said, this is just hypothetical data we are using. So we are going to link this data here onto our map. The map, remember, has sub counties, and even this data has sub counties. So this one is going to be the sub county column is going to be used as the linking column. So how do you link this data to this map here? So what you do, you come here to layer, add layer again. This time around you are going to add the limited text layer, so you click on it. You search for where you've saved your CSV file. Mine is in a folder called practice, so I come here, look for it here. This is the one. So I click on open, and once you click on it, even though it is saved as a CSV file, but it is reflecting what we saw the other time. So you just click on add. So it has added, and you can see this data here. Now our challenge is to show these different scores for the different counties on this map here. So you right click on the map on the map here, Kaliro map. You go to properties, go to joins, then you click on this plus sign here. When you click on this plus sign, this is what we want to link to our map, and we are linking our map. The target field is the sub county. So once these two are selected, you click OK, you apply, then click OK. So after that, you again go back to properties again, click on symbology. You come here on this arrow here where there is a single symbol, but this time around we want graduated, and our value is this ANC for coverage. So you select ANC for coverage here. Then we want to format, we want to, this under color ramp, we want, what I want is the red, yellow and green, like the traffic lights, and I want only 3 classes. I don't want 5 classes. So red, it will show that that sub county is doing badly. Yellow will indicate that they are somehow, then green, they are doing well. This is automatically generated here. So I will apply this and then click OK. So that is how you represent data on this map here. So we can clearly see that we have some sub counties which are not really doing well as per our hypothetical data here, and then we have some sub counties in yellow and others in green. So this is how you join the data from a CSV file onto a map in QGIS. Thank you for listening.